Here, let me help you with that.
I'm gonna put them on.
Okay.
Those are pictures like Johnny said. Markers!
Oh, markers.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm gonna open all the paper. I'm gonna open it.
We'll have to color with those later.
Oh, this one's by my name.
That one has your name, are you sure?
Yeah.
Check it. Okay, yeah, that's yours. Oh, that looks like a unicorn. Look at her horn right here.
Wow, it's like magic.
Oh, Julia, look. It's a costume.
Yeah, cool.
You want to put it on?
Yeah.
Step in right here. Go find another present.
That's fine. Big present.
Oh, that is big and giant. This doesn't want to fit over your robe. Here, put your arm in there.
That's a big present.
Wow, that is a big present.
And now you hold. Here, this goes
It's too big.
around your neck. There. Oh, come closer.
Open it now.
Need help?
This is a Johnny. Look at me, Dad.
You're riding a unicorn.
Oh wow, let me see. Let me step back here a little bit. Whoa, look at that, Julia.
Julia's riding on a unicorn.
Wow, it's magic. Do you like it, Julia?
Yeah.
You say thank you, Santa?
Thank you, Santa.
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 Johnny, what is that?
A choo-choo box.
A choo-choo box.
Yeah, I don't know why it's in the It's an old box.
Okay, go open
Wow.
the present while I work on this.
You like your
Johnny,
choo-choo
what's
box?
in there? Here, I'll take this.
Wow, that's nice.
Let's see what this is.
Is that for Johnny and Julia? Julia?
Has a track.
Let me see. I think it is. Where's your name?
Wow.
It says Johnny and Julia.
Well, let's open it after you open
All right.
your presents, okay? That is super cool. Oh, I think that had your name and Johnny's name on it. Johnny, why
Yeah.
don't you open this one?
Oh, yeah.
This is for both of you too, to share. Has both your names. Let Johnny open this one because you opened this one. What is this? It's dollhouse furniture for your dollhouse. See, it has a